How to use duplicate cards to open chest in Royal Match. So in Royal Match you must first reach like level 41 here to unlock the collection section. So in the collection or card album you can collect cards. You get cards from team chest, and then you get collection from like team chest, events, level up rewards, and special card packs. So check your album, go to menu, cards, and album. There you'll see new cards that are glowing and duplicate cards that are marked as duplicate. For example, you got a card, then you'll see popping like two cards in that same card. So yeah, you can see that. Also you can use duplicate cards. The duplicate cards don't stay forever, they convert into stars, and every duplicate card is automatically turned into stars. These stars fill up the when the star bar reaches the requirement, you can open a chest. This star bar fills star bar inside the album. When the star bar fills, you can simply go ahead and open a chest. So you can simply open like bronze chest, silver chest, gold chest, magic chest. This chest contains the coins, boosters, lives, more cards, and etc. So hopefully this video helps. Thank you.